So our project is about medical diagnosis AI that will be using image processing. Will process through the imaging created in medical field, so that it's better tools to let doctors or medical officers do diagnosis. Okay, so our problem statement is that we believe that human eye often make mistake within diagnosis because of the either blurry or noisy images created, or some of the what we say disease are ignored by doctors, and either that they are giving out false positive or negative.
Our solution is computer can help prevent diagnosis errors. So like they can make a faster decision compared to humans, and also a more emergency situation, we might have some mistake and even like take a long time to diagnose a simple stuff. So computer can just do everything better than human and faster, but and also the accuracy might be not really
that accurate.
Yeah. So the objectives is to reduce the misdiagnosis of imaging in the medical field. So
we believe that it will be helpful for responding to urgent cases within seconds, and we will be providing general medical solutions for minor illness.
And the system module, the object, there is object detection. We use it to determine, identify, and diagnose the symptoms and the cases. Image processing, we use it to change tones and colors, and also the most important part, we make the image more clearer. So in some cases, the diagnosis it's hard to diagnose with visible light, and also the color part, it may make it more harder to diagnose. So like the border, the color border, like black within black and white, is not really that clear, so it's hard to identify. The software we use is only OpenCV, YOLO V8, Python, and Cursor. The cursor is used to run the website, the thing. YOLO V8 is just to identify the thing, and it will create a square around the diagnosis, like maybe tumor, cancer, or fracture. So, and OpenCV we will use to change the tones and colors and make the image way more clearer. So the hardware we use is laptop to run the website, and imaging device like camera or phone to you might need to use real-time diagnosis.
Easy to capture inputs.
And the algorithm we use the YOLO, as we said, YOLO V8 and OpenCV.
So our targeted users are some kind of like medical field experts that they use it as a tools to assist on their diagnosis. And then I believe that patient or hospitals administrator departments will also be using it for like patients to like understand their reports, or that the administration department, it's easier to like combine all the reports in like this, which will make their work easier in my words.
Future potential users, pharmacies, they might need the drug usage recommendation for the patient, and the telemedicine, they might need to provide the consultants for the home care patients. So this will make the telemedicine or even the patients far more easier for their job. So social impact and limitation, we have it increase the efficiency and the speed of determine and identify. It reduces the human error as well. When human make making decision, when they need to make a decision really quick, this is the part when it's very easy to make a simple mistake. Human resources is really not enough in certain.
We are trying to reduce the human resources required so that like one doctor, if there's like let's say like a doctor needs at least 3 nurses in cases, right? So that we hope that within these tools we can like reduce it to 1 nurse or like without assistance and use these two as the doctor's assistants. Yeah, and for our limitation, right, we still require final diagnosis by the officials because that we don't have the approval to give out final diagnosis, and also that we might also have false positive or negatives because of the accuracy isn't 100%, and in some cases it might give up slow response for like emergency conditions which will be deadly.
Also one more thing, so when the decision is made by AI or computer, what if the false negative or false positive result happens and been told to the patients? Who's supposed to take the responsibility for this? So this is also a very, since the accuracy is not 100% confirmed, so doctors still need to interfere and make a final decision. So whether the results is accepted or not, everything should still be made by the doctor, the decision part. So this is our interface, user interface UI.
A sample project, our prototype, so that we can like upload some imaging pictures here, and then we can like filter it. Like this is the original one. We just click process it, and it will be clearer and brighter. And if we go for grayscale, it will be. So we can also use it on like some. We have a filter called X-ray, right? So it will be just showing out all the bones and the tissues on your hands or something. So it will be easier for more visible for doctors to like make the final decisions, so that they won't make some misdiagnosis.
This is the process image. You can see the differences before and after. So this is after and
before was the blue color, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We change the tone.
Oh, so you have like, you can use like camera to like lifetime take the picture and upload.
Yes.
At the same time, you can use like existing X-ray pictures, right?
Yes.
And you have infrared, X-ray, and grayscale.
Yes.
Okay. Detection one. So far, this is like a working prototype lah.
Yeah.
So the detection part will happen when once it has more data, right? You can start detect, right? Okay, that's good. So, yep, Yana and Rahul, thank you for the